Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite essential oils, orange oil. To get the maximum effects of my oil, I like to diffuse it in my room as I sleep. The first thing I did was started with some warm water. I started with warm, not too hot, not too cold. Just kind of use the bowl for my orange. I'm just gonna wash my orange. I use baking soda. You can use whatever you like to wash your fruits and veggies with. That's what I used. So basically, I just splash a little bit in there, and then I toss my orange in. So now that my orange is all clean and dry, I start the process of peeling my orange, being careful not to get the white of the orange, but just peeling the peel. I use a potato peeler, but you can use a cheese grater. After that, I got my peels into a mason jar really quickly and added my oil. You can choose whatever carrier oil you like. Coconut oil. I use olive oil because that's just what I had in the kitchen. Filled it up to cover my peels, and then I took more hot water and placed it into a bowl and set my mason jar in that bowl and let it sit for a while. You can let the peel stay in the jar for additional days, 3 to 5 days, to continue to basically let the peels release that oil of the orange into the other oil. And later on, you just separate the peels from the oil.